Hello everyone. In the last video we have seen that how to make a folder and some code we have written in Virtual Studio Code. So now this is the desktop screen. Now we will come to HTML. So first shift plus F10. So we will open with code. So we have written this by shift plus 1, so it is called boilerplate code. So after this today in this class we will study about h1 to h6, then p, b, I and sub. So from h1 is called h1 to h6, it is called the heading. So how to write h1 to h6? First h1, so it is the AMAT abbreviation. So click here, in between this we will write the code. Okay, so heading, it is the heading. So LOREM, lorem is the abbreviation used for making the sentence. Now we want suppose 5 words, so enter. So it is a 5-word code. So how to see where it is coming? So we will go to, click here 2 times, then this index page. So the word we have written here between the h1 line, it comes in the index. This is the document, this is the heading of that h1 yani heading. Okay, so there are 6 headings we can write: h2, then h3 up to h6. So in h1 we have written 5 words. In h2 we will write suppose 2 words. Okay, so lorem 2, so enter. Here comes 2 words. In third we will write suppose 4 words. Okay, like this we will write in h4, h5 and h6. And suppose Edwards. Nine words. So we have written these words. Now see in that index page. Okay, here it is not coming, so we will reload, so it will come. The font size will be smaller than in decreasing order. First h1 has the highest font size, then its font size will decrease line by line till h6. Now we have seen this by lorem. Okay, in next we will see p means paragraph. So in p we can write many means bulk of words, like we have to write 32 words, so lorem 32. Okay, so it's 32 words. Now see in this index page, so here comes this paragraph of 32 words. Okay, so its size will be similar to h5. We have written the heading like h5, so paragraph size will be same. Okay, so after that we will use I italic. So in dollar, we suppose we have to do dollar in italic word, so we will do I, so abbreviation enter. In this between we will write dollar and clean this dollar. Okay, so after seeing here, so dollar is tilted little much, means 10 to something degree. Okay, so after this we have to write sub and sub. Okay, so in next line, sub means if we are talking about 2 2 is equals to 4. No, it's not right. 22 is equals to not 4, but 2 square is equals to 4. So how we can write 2 square here? So we will use sub enter. So we will write 2 outside and 2 inside, then equals to 4. So when we see here, it will come sup. Okay, so 2 square is equals to 4. Now when we see sub in the next line, so sub is used in downside, means we have to write CO2. So 2 will be downside O, so CO2 like this. We cannot write in there. So C capital plus O. So 2 will be in sub. Okay, between sub, so it will become CO there. Okay, so sub will come in here also. Okay, so this is the class of today's lecture. Hope you will enjoy it. Thank you.